Welcome to the team preview. The team that we're discussing today is Kolkata Knight Riders, the side with two IPL trophies, 2014 being the last time they won the tournament under Gautam Gambhir. But since then, they have just been an average side in the tournament. In the mega auction of 2018, they let go of Gambhir, who has been such a great captain and a fortune changer for this side. They instead built a team around Dinesh Karthik and Robin Uthappa and invested in a very young side. This season they got rid of Robin Uthappa too. Hence, the young shoulders of Shubman Gill and Nitish Rana are expected to take all of the burden. Shubman Gill is expected to open the batting as he is doing for India, but the question is who will partner him? There are three potential options in Nareen, Tripathi and Banton. Sunil Nareen has done a pretty good job with the bat for TKR in this season of CPL with 250s in 5 innings he played. But however, KKR may want to avoid him at least for the first game against Mumbai with the kind of pace attack they have, as he is vulnerable to sharp short balls. Rahul Tripathi can be a safe option too. Definitely, he doesn't have a great strike rate as Chris Lane used to, but with the kind of firepower they have down the order, they can afford to go a little slower initially. Tom Banton is another prospect to open alongside Shubman Gill. Tom Banton is coming from some match practice from England's home season against Australia and Pakistan. He had a pretty good series against Pakistan, becoming the highest run scorer for England in that series with 137 runs with a brilliant strike rate. But against Australia, with Jos Buttler back in the squad, he was forced to bat at number 3 and had a really bad series, scoring just 12 runs in 3 games. However, he is still one of the top prospects to open the innings for the Knights. This team has a really heavy middle order, especially after bringing in England's limited overs captain Eoin Morgan. Though the team is still led by Dinesh Karthik, Morgan's leadership quality will still come in handy for KKR. Nitish Rana is most likely to bat at number 3, followed by Eoin Morgan, Dinesh Karthik and Andre Russell. KKR had the highest run rate in death overs among all the other sides, thanks to Andre Russell and Dinesh Karthik, who strike with amazing strike rate at the end. From the strength of this side, let's turn the discussion towards the weakness of this side, that is, its inexperienced pace attack. They've got Pat Cummins for a whopping 15.5 crores this season. Lockie Ferguson and Ali Khan makes it look like a decent attack, but are you going to play at least 2 of these 3 bowlers? Let us look at the overseas quota. Assuming all of them are fit, Andre Russell and Sunil Nareen walks into the side straight away. One overseas pacer, most likely Cummins, has to play. Now, are you going to pick Eoin Morgan or Tom Banton or Ferguson or Ali Khan? I think they will go for Morgan. KKR was highly dependent on Russell's performance last season, but with Morgan joining the services, KKR will be a little balanced this season. If only one among the foreign pacers are going to play, 2 of these pacers are expected to play all of the games. Prasidh Krishna and Shivam Mavi do have a little experience of playing some games in the IPL. But Kamlesh Nagarkoti brings 3 dimension to the side. He can finish few games with the bat and he's also a gun fielder. I think he will be the first pick among these players. Main problem of this side last season was not being able to control runs in the death over. Though they have Cummins this time around, he's not a death bowler himself. So at least one of these players have to take responsibility of the death bowling. Look at this clip taken from KKR.in, where Sandeep Warrier is bowling regular Yorkers. The bowler partnering him was Shivam Mavi, but Sandeep definitely looked better at this role. While talking about the spin department, they will have to rely on Kuldeep Yadav and Sunil Nareen after leaving Piyush Chawla. Kuldeep had a really poor season in 2019, taking just 4 wickets in 9 games that he played. If KKR has to do well in UAE this season, Kuldeep has to better his performance. They also have Varun Chakraborty in the side, who can be useful in the slow pitches they get further in the tournament. All in all, KKR looks really strong this season, but for them to stand out, young Indian players have to step up and take the responsibility of winning games.